Do you find it a little bit surreal when you see your face looking back?
Yeah, that's true.
I remember when Laura was born, your sister came over and said, "Oh, she looks just like her dad." A week later, she looks just like you. She looks just like so-and-so, so-and-so. Could a face morph that big time? It's a short period of time.
He's a chameleon.
Where TJ lives? Oh.
You know this song, Chuck?
Unfortunately.
That's one of the songs I like to listen to when I'm walking.
Ah.
John Jovi. Oh. Getting prepared to like those roller coasters at Disneyland.
It just lights up.
Yeah.
You're in trouble with Grandpa. Pretty sure that's his favorite.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. That just caught me.
A few years.
I don't remember signing up for this.
It hurts like a
It is how we get him to smile for pictures.
Julian.
Want him to look over there?
Yeah. She's like, watch, I can make my mommy walk all the way over there. All I gotta do is smile.
My eyes are closed. I'm sleeping.
It's like, okay, I'm done. And I'm waving. I'm waving again.
Where'd she go? I know she's there someplace.
Where'd she go?
She was over there now.
I know. It's like, what is happening?
He hasn't gotten the, if she's not in this general area, perhaps.
Getting colder.
She was there a while ago, buddy.
I'm so dehydrated. I have usurped it. Alright, I got my Treasures. Oh yeah.
Oh,
You want some help with that? Shake it up. Shake it up.
Oh, it's a chase. Oh no. It's a recliner.
You're good. That's as far as it goes.
Are you sure you're all right?
Shake, 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 shake. So yeah, you got it.
Okay, go back. Close your eyes and walk that way.
No, now I'm gonna take yours. I dropped mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you can't trick me.
But you're the only little guy.
Yours. It's heavier.
right, yeah, I just.
Only little guy. You're the ultimate youngest and the ultimate oldest.
Yeah. It didn't
It's
last
so
too
funny,
long.
like it's all adults. There's no kids. We know no kids. Just you. I know. He's like, I like it that way.
You're not a baby. I'm an adult. The baby of the
Okay,
family.
vote now. We would get 4 hours, I think, a night.
Yeah. But she would take until 4 a.m. and then I would wake up at 4 and go and she would sleep in. So, yeah.
That's
Until
why it seemed
went to
like
work.
that, because we would both get like, instead of both being awake.
We'd get like 5 hours at a time.
Yeah. I mean, we were still exhausted because he was still like,
I mean, it's
yet like he would wake up, so we'd both kind of, but
Is the text one?
yeah.
yeah.
You're just tired. You're fine. That didn't even hurt.
Did things not go as you wanted them to?
Not cool.
Not cool, man.
Not cool.
Hi. I don't have any treats for you. I'm sorry. I have no treats for you.
Yeah, I felt like that yesterday, buddy.
Hold still.
Lock it up.
Don't hit yourself.
Is that your work?
It's the entry that he has trouble with.
Should we put him down? Yeah. Do you think he's going to stay awake till 6?
No, but I also don't think he will stay asleep if we put him to bed this early. He'll wake up at like 4 a.m.
Where are you going to put it at? Where are you going to put it at?
You stop it.
He's